बात बड़ी सीधी है। पीएम केयर्स फंड में हमारे सब सांसदों ने अपनी अपनी तनख्वाह का पैसा दिया। इस देश के करोड़ों लोगों ने, कंपनियों ने, व्यवसायियों ने, आम जनमानस ने, कर्मचारियों ने पैसा दिया। यह पैसा किसी व्यक्ति विशेष का नहीं, यह पैसा सरकार का भी नहीं, यह पैसा कोरोना महामारी की जंग में इस्तेमाल होने वाला देश की जनता का पैसा है। तो ऐसे में सीएजी के माध्यम से पीएम केयर्स फंड का ऑडिट क्यों ना हो? क्या आप इससे असहमत हैं या आपका कोई दर्शक असहमत होगा? मुझे लगता है कि कोई असहमत हो ही नहीं सकता। प्रधानमंत्री जी, इसका आप सीएजी से ऑडिट भी कराइए और बाकायदा एक वेबसाइट लगाइए। उस वेबसाइट में हर दानी सज्जन की द्वारा दिए गए दान की राशि हो और पीएम केयर्स फंड का पैसा कहां इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है उसकी व्याख्या भी हो। इससे पारदर्शिता भी आएगी, जवाबदेही भी आएगी और पूरा देश प्रधानमंत्री जी का और सम्मान करेगा। अगर हम ऐसा नहीं करेंगे तो फिर कहीं ना कहीं किसी ना किसी व्यक्ति के मन में संदेह अवश्य पैदा होगा और मुझे लगता है कि कोई देशवासी भी पारदर्शिता और जवाबदेही के इस आंकलन से मुंह नहीं मोड़ेगा। धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू सर। अगला सवाल आनंद पटेल जी, इंडिया टुडे से। Two more questions, sir. Anand Patel, after that Mosmi.
Yeah, sir, we had the CM's meeting with the Prime Minister yesterday, and in all likelihood, the lockdown is going to be extended. This is what the indications we are getting. At the CWC meeting, the party had asked for a clear roadmap to ease restrictions and what is the government going to do about it. But it seems like with extension after extension, the lockdown 3.0, in its bid to fight the coronavirus, the government is pushing the people towards hunger virus or starvation virus. What do you have to say on that? Thank you.
Our chief minister specifically requested the Prime Minister yesterday to tell the nation what is the strategy, exit strategy from lockdown. Shri Rahul Gandhi has repeatedly said that lockdown is a pause button to temporarily stop the virus, but it cannot end the virus. So what is the government's strategy on health front and economic front in terms of post-lockdown period? What is the roadmap for the future post 3rd of May? How is Prime Minister going to come out with Financial Action Plan Part 2, as Shrimati Sonia Gandhi has repeatedly demanded, and so has many other experts, be it from starvation, be it for kick-starting the economy, be it for return of the migrant labor, or be it for starting small and medium and micro businesses? These are answers to which nation still awaits clear replies to these questions. Prime Minister is expected to lead the nation in crises like these. We once again appeal to the Prime Minister to come out with a clear exit strategy from the lockdown, to state the roadmap for economic revival and to deal with the health pandemic post 3rd of May, as also restrict the lockdown only to hot zones and gradually revive the economy and the economic cycle so that people are not pushed towards starvation into green zones and into zones which are still orange zones with appropriate social distancing and measures. No one has still heard from the Prime Minister about the exit strategy or the roadmap, and that is an area of serious concern. Prime Minister, nation awaits your reply to the exit strategy and roadmap post 3rd of May. Thank you.
Mosmi, please come in.
Mosmi ji.
Ranjit ji, can you hear my voice?